School projects can take a lot of time, especially when you need to research topics, organize information, and design presentations. But with Gamma AI, students can create professional-looking project slides and documents much faster using artificial intelligence. So in this guide, I'll show you how to use Gamma AI for school projects step by step. First, open the Gamma AI website in your browser and sign in to your account. If you don't already have one, create a free account to get started. Once you enter the dashboard, click the Create button to begin a new project or presentation. Now type the topic of your school project into the AI prompt box, so you can include details like the subject, grade level, project goals, or presentation style. After entering the topic, click Generate and let Gamma AI automatically create the project slides and structure. When the project is complete, share it online using a link or export it as a PDF or presentation file for school submission. And honestly, Gamma AI works best when you use it as a helper instead of relying on it for everything. Combining AI-generated content with your own ideas usually creates much stronger school projects. And that's your full guide on how to use Gamma AI for school projects. Hopefully now you have a clear understanding of how to create faster, cleaner, and more professional educational presentations using AI tools.